we're in one of Universal's newest hotels. We're in Stella Nova. So Universal Studios in Orlando have opened up Stella Nova, Terra Luna and Helios hotels. Helios actually opened up to the public for the first time yesterday, which was, what day will be yesterday, Pandy? 16th, 17th, 16th?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. So we're really impressed with this hotel, I must say. We have stayed here last night, obviously, so it's a bit lived in. It's not perfect, but I wanted to show you around. We got in, our flight landed at 3:05 yesterday afternoon. So, and then we dumped our stuff and went straight out. So as you come in, we are in room 6043. You're greeted with this spacious, white, quite clinical look. But when we came in yesterday, and I'm whispering a little bit because it's still quite early in the morning. When we came in yesterday, it felt as if we were the first people to ever stay in this room. It smelled lovely, it looked lovely, it was lovely and clean. I'm sure we're not the first people to stay in this hotel room because it's been open for a few weeks. But it was really nice, really lovely. Just had a shower a few minutes ago, and the shower's really powerful and great. They have their own shampoo and conditioner, Cosmic Ember, which is really good. And it's not very often I get on with different shampoos and conditioners, but it has worked really well on my hair. Don't really know what this glass partition is here. I don't know why they put it in. It's got, as you'll see on the other side, it's got a curtain, but I don't know how that benefits the room. Personally, I would have either taken that out altogether, the partition, or just continued the wall up to here, to the end. But it's there, and that's it. They have their own soaps as well, Stella Nova bath soaps. You can see the packages are in the bin. Yeah, and the tap works brilliantly. Everything, touch wood, is working fantastically. In here you have a lot of wardrobe space. So there's extra pillows, a few coat hangers, ironing board, done that the wrong way around, a safe. Is the safe open? Yeah, safe is open. So you can get a laptop in there, a luggage thing which I can never get on with and I don't use, unfortunately, and I know you're saying you should use them. But instead we've put our bags on the bed, but they're there safely and they're not harming the bed in any way. No bed's got harmed in this video. So there's a rug there and some artwork on the wall, which is really pretty actually. The beds are really comfy, pillows are really comfy. So this is the curtain I was saying about, so you can pull that across to the partition. Air conditioning there. Coffee making facilities here. And in here is a mini fridge, which I've put a couple of cans in, but and they're mini cans, by the way, it's not a huge fridge. What have you found there, Pandy? Oh, some more USBs.
Yeah, and Type C as well.
Type C, USB Type C's. Phone.
Yeah, it's tight, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Little notebook. And then you have the rundown, which explains everything there, which I haven't read actually, I'll read now. 4 drawers here, and they're quite spacious drawers. A seating area there. I am having a little trouble with this small, because you can't use that area really as a desk for your laptop. So I'm having a little bit of trouble fitting my laptop and my mouse on the small table. But hey ho, first world problems. And then here you've got a lamp, a charger with the alarm clock, or alarm clock with the charger. You've got a drawer there. There is lots and lots of storage we found here. Handy there, some more lights there, TV obviously, lots of wall lights and lighting. It's quite a bright room, and obviously a fantastic, look at that, fantastic window. I love the shape of the window, really nice. And our view is of Terra Luna, which is there in the background behind, or in front of Pandy.
SeaWorld, aren't they?
SeaWorld?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
How was SeaWorld?
Yeah. Yeah,
There's the moon,
SeaWorld.
look.
Moon. What time were we? 8 in the morning.
Yeah.
And this is the pool area. We were actually at the pool bar, which is just out of shot over here, but we were at the pool bar last night. Got a sandy area there.
It's crazy.
Yeah, the water jets are off. Yeah, I walked to the other end up here earlier, and you could look into people's houses, condos. So yeah, and there's the buses picking up at the moment from Terra Luna. So what do you think of Stella Nova?
Oh, it's nice. Really nice.
Yeah? How much do we pay?
165 a night?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it worth our money?
It's expensive, but it is what it is, isn't it?
So that is Stella Nova. And would I stay here again? Most definitely. I'm very happy with the room. It's comfortable. The staff are lovely. We met Jonathan at the pool bar yesterday, and he's a character. He's great. He gave us lots of tips. He was lovely, great server. We're outside the hotel now, obviously, but in the distance there you can see Helios, and you can see Epic Universe. And there the buses. It's such a beautiful, beautiful hotel. But Helios looks amazing too. We're going to book in there. We did book in for October and then cancelled it. But we will stay there. It's on the list. It's quite impressive when you come in. Yeah, definitely breakfast and a bit hungry. So yeah, luggage, and then that is reception. And I was arguing with he who shall not be named, our friend, last night, saying that there's no signs to say that is the check-in area, but he said it was obvious it was. These chairs are surprisingly comfy as well. We've sat in them last night. They don't look it, but they are really comfy. This is the marketplace for the food. I'm going to have to grab something soon because I am hungry. Price lists are over there. Cola cups. So that was my friends that I met yesterday. She was gorgeous. The people I just said hi to, by the way, a lovely, lovely family that we met yesterday actually. Sienna. Hi Sienna and her mum. She said, I said, what message do you want me to say to you on the vlog? And she said, say hi. So a big hi. And you're so wonderful. You're going to Volcano Bay today. I bet you'll have the best time. And your brother's very cute as well. And your mum's lovely. So I've met the whole family just about. So hope you have a fantastic day. And thank you very much for chatting to us. And Terra Luna over there. And the pool area isn't open for another 10 minutes or so. But you got Galaxy's bar down there, which is where we were sat there yesterday. And the gorgeous pool area. Oh, the flowers are pretty as well. And they've got a games room. Quiet but noisy at the same time.
Jurassic Park.
And then there was a fitness area, wasn't there? Oh, thank you. They had the door in my face then, Pandy.
I'll say that.
Everything's brand new in here, so it looks fantastic. And you've got a nice view of the pool deck. Kai and Amy would love it in here. You gonna do some squats?
Yeah, I know.
So there you have it, Stella Nova, here at last. And today we are going to Epic Universe. So watch out for the next video where, yeah, hopefully we'll be showing you around Epic Universe.